Hi, my name is Nestor Manzanares, and we are going to show now how to operate the scanner. The scanner is a computer to read the code when you have a problem like the one we have here with the check engine light on. On the dash, you can see when you have this light on, you need to plug a scanner to read the codes and clear. Sometimes you have problem with the transmission, but now we have a check engine light on, so we're gonna demonstrate how the scanner has to be plugged in. This is one of the best scanner launch Autobook. All we have to do is plug this wire, which is the interface connection between the car computer and the code reader, which is this scanner. So we connect the plug to the scanner. Most of the cars from 98 up, they bring the OBD connector, which is the standard feature in most of the vehicles now on the market to avoid the problem was before to read the code. That every car has different standard, every car has different codes. So now the connection is underneath. So all we're gonna do is plug this to the connection. And turn the scanner on. So when we turn the scanner on, just press the red button and it's gonna bring the whole information from the car. That's depending on the car we're working on. You have to choose the different brands. Like could be Ford, Chevrolet, Nissan, anything. It's gonna show when the scanner starts to recognize the system. You just start now, so press the start button, and there is a configuration. It's a GAC, which is gonna be the GD scan. That's when we're gonna read the code. I forget that they bring this little pen to keep pressing where you need to read. You say start. Now the scanner is gonna do a configuration with the car computer. Now we're gonna use for USA Canada, or we can use OBD2. We're gonna use 4. You see, like you see, for USA Canada B4180 is one. There are two different kind of software installed on the computer, so we're gonna use this one. You see, like I said, it's resetting a SmartBox because this scanner do the configuration every time we start to do something or reading something on the cars. So you have to do the whole thing every time you complete the car because all of them has different programs. You can see it's doing all the steps for her to start to read what I need. This is the only way on new cars. Most of the cars has 1, 2, 3, 4 computers, depending on the system we're talking about, for the window, for the ABS, for the transmission, for everything. Cars bring new technology, like a small computer, small software, and they are related, but they don't work on the same ECU. It couldn't be, it had to be a car size, so they put different models to read that. Manually select, so we're gonna check the big number. It's this car is different year. I believe this car is a 2003, but anyway, we're gonna check the big number now with the year. We're gonna ask all the information. This car is a 2003 1103. It's almost a 2004. The big number is here. So they're talking about the 10 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a number 4. So we go for the car year and the big number on the same car. And what they do is 2004, big number 10 is a 4. So now it brings a different model that cover for this. Especially this car is a Taurus. As you see, the scanner cover a lot. It's a wide range of operation. This is a Taurus 3.0 2004. So now it's bring what the scanner reads. It reads the PCM restraint control module, ICM instrument, generic electronic module, electronic automatic transmission control, and temperature control module, ABS, and powertrain. This is the ECM. This is the one we should read, but we're gonna read a different one just to show. This is the electronic automatic transmission on. It's telling you how many steps you have to follow to do this the scanner work. Like I said, communication, please wait. It has to get the information from the transmission computer. In the case, this car is available to read it. Some cars, they just don't allow the scanner to read it because it's a factory procedure. Like I said, this is the most important tool for the newer mechanic and needs to be used to have a good diagnostic. You cannot do a diagnostic without this tool. Even when you don't have the lights on, it's good to plug it because it's going to bring you more information to know what's going on with the engine, transmission, on any system you have in the car. Just take a while, it's reading. Like I said before, this system won't communicate with the transmission, so we're going to go back to the different tests we can do. Like I said, 2004, bin 10 number 4. So we're gonna go to the car again to check the engine. But this is the way the scanner works. You have to choose the different year, all the information, the equipment is gonna ask you, and then go to the feature you need to scan and see ignition on. It's gonna take you through all the steps you need to. This car is having problem with the alternator. So you can see the red light, battery red light coming on. So we might have problem with the reading because we have no good voltage on the system. When that happens, the computer doesn't read either. But this is the way the car scanner works. It won't communicate maybe because we have problem with the battery in this car. If the low voltage doesn't allow him to read it. See, communication error because we have a low voltage again. So we're gonna finish with this demonstration, and then I hope the video is good enough for the people trying to do diagnosing of the house, because you can rent the scanner on some places and you can own one. Some of them, they're not too expensive now, but this is the way the code scanner reader works. This is one of the best tools, like I said before, to have like a help to perform a diagnostic on a good diagnostic on every car we have now. Thank you and have a good day.